Create beautiful, unique jewelry by combining a variety of chipped and crushed stones set into a transparent resin inlay. Fire Mountain Gems and Beads carries a wide variety of crushed, undrilled gemstone inlay chips, perfect for inlay and embellishment. To create a crushed stone inlay, first select a finding with a deep contour or cavity. Next, select a transparent resin. We recommend Lisa Pavelka's Magic Gloss. Line the bottom of the finding with your stone chips. Mix and match colors or place the chips individually to create a mosaic masterpiece. Once you are satisfied with the placement of your crushed stone chips, slowly add your resin to fill the finding until the resin begins to dome above the lip of the finding. A quick pass with a butane torch will help remove any remaining air bubbles present in the resin. Put your piece in a clean, dry place to cure. If you're using Magic Gloss, you can place it in a UV lamp or in direct sunlight for faster curing. Creating beautiful crushed stone inlay jewelry is easy. Find all these supplies plus a variety of crushed stone chips at www.firemountaingems.com.